In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create student dashboard in Notion. We're building a clean focus space where you can see your courses, track assignments, and keep all your notes in one place. Let's start by setting up the page. Create a new page in Notion and give it a clear title you'll recognize at a glance. Add a cover and an icon to make it visually distinct. This makes it easier to spot in your sidebar. In the top right menu of the page, turn on small text and full width. Small text tightens up spacing so more fits on screen, and full width gives you extra room for columns and views. That extra space will really help as your dashboard grows. Next, we'll create your core databases right on the page as inline elements. For courses, type /gallery and choose Gallery View. Each card represents a subject, like math or history. Open a card and use the title for the course name. If you like, add a short description or an icon on each card to make them stand out. This gallery becomes the quick visual hub for everything else. Now set up assignments. Use /table if you prefer a spreadsheet feel, or /board for a Kanban-style workflow. Add a due date property using the date type, and create a status property with options like to do, in progress, and done. To connect assignments to courses, add a relation property linking this assignment's database to the course's database. Now each assignment can point to the right course, which keeps everything connected and easy to filter later. Create a notes database to store lecture notes. You can use a table for this as well. Tag each note by course using the same relation to courses, so your notes stay grouped with the right subject. This makes it simple to jump from a course to its assignments and notes without hunting around. With the building blocks in place, let's lay out the dashboard. Type /col2 to split the page into two columns. On one side, add a gallery view of your courses, and rename it to current semester. So it's clear, this is your main course hub. On the other side, add a linked view of your assignments. Database, choose a calendar view if you like seeing due dates on a timeline or set up an upcoming deadlines view, so the next tasks are always front and center. This side-by-side setup gives you a quick snapshot of what you are studying and what's due next. Keep your databases updated, and this dashboard will save you time every day. Thanks for watching.